morning, folks. Today we're going to make some French fries. You can use any type of potato that you want, but the Idaho potatoes seem to be a pretty good brand. So what we've already done before we came on screen was we washed these potatoes, and I'm sure you guys saw us sharpening the knife. So now we're just going to cut these into strips like a steak fry, and then we're going to show you how we soak them and then fry them. So let's get started. One thing that I don't like is a very small French fry. If you go to a fast food place and you get a French fry that's barely an inch long, so we're going to make these French fries a fairly decent size. And if you're trying to figure out how many to make, just know that the average human could eat about 2 normal size potatoes by themselves. So just adjust accordingly. All right, folks, welcome back. We have cut up 7 Idaho potatoes into various shapes and sizes. I hate a small potato, so that's why I cut them a little large. And so now we're going to cover this pan in water just above the height of the potatoes, and you do this to remove the excess starch. So when you fry them, bake them, or grill them, or whatever your choice is, they don't become too crumbly. And your soaking period will range from 1 hour to overnight. So we're going to go ahead and uncover this and check back with us then. All right, folks, welcome back. We let these French fries sit about 3 to 3.5 hours in cold water. Then we poured off the water, which was like a milky grayish type of color. Then we have wiped the French fries dry and seasoned them. And while we were doing that, we preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And the way that you want to cook these is cook them on one side for 20 minutes, flip them over, and then cook them on the other side for about 10 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and start cooking us some fries, and we'll come back and show you guys the final result. All right, folks, here is on one of the trays of potatoes. Overall, this took about 30 minutes to cook, 20 on one side and 10 on the other at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you again shortly. Have a good day. Boy, this looks delicious.